Okay, this is our first head. Okay, I just need a little bit white. Hello guys, I'm so excited that we are going to paint again together, and today is 1st of December, so a little bit late, I know, but I'm starting to paint something that gives Christmas vibes, something for Christmas. And today what I'm going to paint is going to cover this canvas with white, and then I'm going to draw Christmas heads on top of it, and we will see what comes next when you watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's start with the painting. Okay, this is our white. Mhm. Okay, now time to start drawing our heads. Okay, this is our first head. On top of it, I'm going to put a little bit of white. Okay, I just need a little bit white.
This is the dry result from the painting, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. These are the snowmens. I like that they have a texture and you can feel it when you touch them. And I'm going to show you. I hope you can see that. Like this. And for the eye of this snowman, yeah, I know they are not symmetrical and yeah, like a perfect circles and so on, but I like how this one turned out. And I think it is special to this snowman. Only he has these eyes, but I like it. I like how it turned out, so I leave it that way. I decided to leave it that way. And this is the Christmas tree. I also like how this turned out. I think it's beautiful. And now I'm going to show you the whole painting. Only thing that I don't like are the snowmen's their faces. I wanted their faces to be a circle, but they are not. So maybe they're melting from the hot. Yeah, okay. This is the painting. Write me down in the comments if you like it. It could be better, I know, but this is my first Christmas painting, so I'm proud of it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I wish you happy holidays with your family, with your friends. Have a great time, guys. Laugh a lot, love, be kind, and all the good stuff. Okay, and hope I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.